Hey folks, I'm going to show you how to rig a top rope on a single pitch route that requires 2 ropes. First I'm going to take my anchor, clip it to the bolts, and then put my leader rope through that anchor so I'm protected as I take my tether, put it through my harness, and attach myself to the anchor with a locking carabiner. I've brought up a second rope, the tagline there in the orange. I'm going to take that, grab my lead rope as well, tie an overhand on a bight, and attach that to the anchor. This is so I don't drop the ropes during the next step. Going to untie from the lead rope, leave my original figure 8, I'll use that in a moment. Take my tagline off my haul loop, use that carabiner for part of the top rope, and I'll join the ropes together with a Flemish Bend. The green rope's tail doesn't need to be that long, so we'll make it a bit shorter. And then start retracing the lead lines figure 8 using the tag line. When we finish, the orange rope and green rope should have tails facing opposite directions. There's our Flemish Bend. We'll clip the lead rope through the anchor. We can take off the overhand on the bight. We're not going to drop our ropes anymore. Then we'll pull the Flemish Bend close to the master point. We've rigged our top rope, now we have to get down. We're attached with the tether already. We'll take a gree-gree, put it on the tag line, and rappel a single strand. All the gear is on the green lead rope, so we're going to rappel a clean tag line down. Put a catastrophe knot in, call down for some tension from our belayer, and we're going to counterbalance rappel off of them. We've verified that our tether is slack, that means the gree-gree is holding us. Now we can rappel down the tag line all the way to the ground. As our climber goes up, we'll eventually get to the joining knot. We'll tie a catastrophe knot there so we can go hands free. Take another belay device and put it above the joining knot. Since our climber can hold their own weight, we'll just step forward, put our belay device on, and attach it to our belay loop. From here, we can continue belaying. Obviously, you can do this by yourself, but it's a lot easier if you have a partner help you. They can take over the belay for the second half of the climb. To lower the climber, we'll use 2 different belay devices, one above the joining knot and one below the joining knot with a catastrophe knot below it. When the climber gets to the joining knot, we'll transfer the load to our arms and then take off the upper belay device from our harness. We can continue to lower on the lower belay device. This load transfer is much easier if someone else does it for you.